quick summary, this is what I'd have next to me when I was doing my homework if I were you guys. Atoms. Now let's start with atomic number. Atomic number is equal to the protons. And you know where to find that. That's on the periodic table. Atoms, protons are equal to electrons. That means if it's got the word atom attached to it, if I know the number of protons or the symbol, I automatically know how many electrons I have. Ions, protons do not equal electrons. If protons are greater than electrons, then we've got a positive charge. Protons are less than electrons. Actually, I'd rather write this way. Electrons are greater than protons, then we have a negative charge. Now we can make this comparison. If we want to know how big that charge is, we ask ourselves the question, how many more protons than electrons, or how many more electrons than protons? So we ask how many more to get the number of the charge. Ions, so we got isotopes. So we'd have equal protons but unequal neutrons. Mass number, that's simply going to be protons plus neutrons. Again, average atomic mass, we're going to go into detail on how to figure that out, but average atomic mass is on the periodic table. It is on periodic table. And it is not equal to mass number. If you take a look on the periodic table, average atomic mass is typically a decimal. So for something like, let's make this a little bigger, a little easier to see. Something like iron is 55.845. That's not the mass number. The mass number is always going to be a whole number. Always. Always a whole number. Because we're talking about adding protons and neutrons.